Hello there. Today I'll be commenting on a verse, or I'll be exploring a verse from Leviticus. It's Leviticus chapter 26, verse 8, which is the book of Vayikra. So it says, "V'radefu mikem chamisha me'ah, u'me'ah mikem revava yirdofu, v'nafalu oivechem lifnechem lecharev." So what does that mean in English? There shall pursue from among you 100. Meaning, 5 men from among you shall pursue 100 of your enemies successfully. And 100 of you, 10,000 shall pursue. So 100 of your men shall be able to take on 10,000 of the enemy. V'naflu oivechem, and your enemies shall fall, lifnechem, in front of you, lecharev, to the sword. Right? And this is the English translation that I just described, but let's look at the math. So, when it says amongst ye, it's speaking of the nation of Israel, the Jewish people. So if you look at the numbers that are given by the verse, it says, Hamisha Me'ah, 5 of you, where did I write it? I'm sorry, right there. 5 of you shall pursue 100. Next, it says, Me'ah mikem rovava yirdofu. 100 of you, 10,000 shall be able to pursue. They shall be able to pursue 10,000. So let's look at the ratios. 5 and 100 are related by a factor of 20. 100 is 20 times greater than 5. 5 times 20 is 100. 110,000 are related, however, by a factor of 100. 110,000 are related by a factor of 100. 10,000 divided by 100 is 100. 100 times 100 is 10,000. So we have two sets, 5 and 100, which are related by a factor of 20, and we have 110,000, which are related by a factor of 100. We also have the numbers of, so to speak, origin, namely that 5 men shall pursue this many, and 100 shall pursue that many. So the number of Jews of the nation of Israel that are mentioned first is 5. And the second number mentioned regarding the number of the Jewish people or Israelites is 100. So that too is a ratio. 5 and 100 are related by a factor of 20. So it's saying 5 of your people shall pursue this many, and 20 times more than that, which is 100, shall pursue this many. If you go on the other side and look at the enemy's numbers, how many shall be pursued by 5? 100. And how many shall be pursued by 100? Israelites, namely? 10,000. So 100 and 10,000 are related by a factor of 100. So, the original number of enemies to the second amount that is given are related by a factor of 100, just as the number of Jews to those that they pursue are related by a factor of 100. You see these two. Similarly, the number of Jews who will pursue is 5 in the first instance, and in the second instance it's 100, which is related by a factor of 20. And how many shall they pursue? 100, which is related by a factor of 20. So you see there's a correspondence, 20 factors of 20 on this side and factors of 100 on this side. So that gives us the following math. 5 and 100 are related by a factor of 20. 100 and 10,000 are related by a factor of 100. So if I divide 10,000 by 100, I get what? 10,000 divided by 100 is 100. And what if I divide 100 by 100? Because I have a 100 here, let's just say I move the 100 up there. 100 divided by 100 is 1. So how many does it take to pursue one enemy? How many Israelites? How many Israeli soldiers? How many Jews does it take to pursue one enemy? Well, let's do the math on the other side. 100 divided by 20 is 5. 5 divided by 20 is 5/20ths, which reduces to 1/4. Do you see the relationship there? It would seem then that one man of the Jewish people, one Jewish man, one Israelite, one Israeli soldier, can pursue 4 enemies. So therefore I might think if one man can pursue 4, then 2 should pursue 8, 3 could pursue 12, 4 could pursue 16, and 5 could pursue 20. But the verse comes and clearly tells us that 5 shall pursue 100. Because 20 and 100, they're related by a factor of 5. 100 is 5 times. So it's 5 times more. When we work together, we're 5 times stronger. And I'll show you how that works. It looks like this. 1 can pursue 4. But instead of 2 being able to pursue 8, 2 can pursue 5 times as many as 8, which is 40. And 3 can pursue 5 times as many as 12, which is 60. And 4 can pursue 5 times as many as 16, which is 80. And 5 can pursue 5 times as many as 20, which is 100.